What's up, YouTube? It's I am Des Nicole, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, I'm just doing a sleek ponytail braid. So yeah, this ponytail I did not use any type of wax. I only used the freeze spray. So yeah, this is my first time doing this. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll get notifications. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.
So I know how to approach her. Simple conversation in my interest started freaking out. Like you for a night, wanna keep you past the weekend day.
So to start, like I do all my ponytails, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I pressed her hair out beforehand, and yeah. So if you guys have watched any of my other videos, you know I like to really part the hair so I can get a sleeker base. So yeah, I'm just parting her hair away, and I'm gonna start in the back, but I just wanted to make sure my front sections was really parted neatly. So yeah, I'm just gonna part this part, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray that down, and then I'll do the top, as you will see after.
I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica. She dressed the best. Baby Aquafina, that girl was wet. Baby Aquafina, that girl was wet. Swimming, going deeper. I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica. She dressed the best. Baby Aquafina, that girl was wet. Yeah. Baby Aquafina, swam. 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 Baby Aquafina, swam.
So like I said, this is my first time doing this method. I am using the Gots to Be Glue freeze spray, and I don't know if I've been under a rock, but this method is so much easier than the beeswax. Like, I probably would never go back to doing full ponies with beeswax. I still need it for the edges, but definitely for the mold, I'm definitely feeling the freeze spray. And plus, this ponytail lasted so much longer in her hair than what it would have if I had used beeswax. So yeah.
I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica. She dressed the best. Baby Aquafina, that girl was wet. Groovy girls across the world. This one's for you. Hounded on the beat. Yeah, you know it sounded so sweet. Swimming in her waters, I get lost up in her waters. This goddess trapped me with her aura. She got me wanting more, bruh. Swimming in her waters, lost up in her waters, trapped up in her aura. She got me wanting more, bruh. Staring at her features, always glad to meet you. Baby, what's your name? Ask that when I reach you. Smell that marijuana, I'm no preacher or no teacher. I'm over the type to roll the weed about the beaches. Leather jacket skis, match me with your joker. Paperweight princess, so I know how to approach her. Simple conversation in my interest started freaking out. Like you for a night, wanna keep you past the weekend day. Sit back, enjoy the smoke. You love the shit I quote. I love her cause this shorty different from them other hoes. She gets sexy for me, only do it for me. And that's what I prefer. We get ghost, you say the word. And shorty bad, yeah, I need her. Eat her like a slice of pizza. Spend more time out with pocket run a meter. Baby girl, I swear I need you, hey. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Baby, I can feed her, I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica, she dressed the best. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Swimming, going deeper, I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica, she dressed the best. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Yeah, baby, I can feed her, swam. 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 And you got to slow the rest cause you know who you with. The goofy doggy don't so hard, we stuck like 5 or 6. Introduce you to the team, you just might meet the clique. Take your ass to Fuji land, now you know all your shit. And you's a bad girl, and you different from the rest. I'm not talking about the sense, but every time I lay the rest, I think about your chest. Your waist, them thighs, hypnotized with wet that shit. Don't be all surprised, I swear you. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Baby, I can feed her, I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica, she dressed the best. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Swimming, going deeper, I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica, she dressed the best. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Smoke. This one's for you. Hounded on the road. Yeah, you know it sounded so sweet.
So as far as for her edges, I'm still going to use the beeswax, but I'm not using that much. So yeah, I'm just going to swoop her sides and do her sideburns.
She got me wanting more, bruh. Swimming in her waters. Lost up in her waters. Trapped up in her aura. She got me wanting more. Staring at her features. Always glad to meet you. Baby, what's your name? That's it when I meet you. Smell that marijuana. I'm no preacher or no teacher. I'm over the type to roll the weed up by the beaches. Leather jacket skis. Match me with your joker. Paperweight princess, so I know how to approach her. Simple conversation in my interest started freaking out. I like you for a night. Wanna keep you past the weekend day. Yeah.
So as far as her pony, I am using the Queen Bee braiding hair. It comes like this. I like this hair because it's already pre-stretched. So yeah, I'm just gonna take one of those bundles and take half of the hair out so the ponytail is not too thick. And I'm gonna add that with one bundle. So basically I'm using 1.5 bundles. And I just attach the rubber band like so, and then I'm just gonna attach it to her hair. Then I'm gonna take away a piece of the hair. I actually took away a piece that was way too thick, so make sure it's not too thick. But yeah, I took away a piece of the hair and I set it to the side, and then I sprayed her hair with the freeze spray just so it won't be any flyaways. And then I'm gonna proceed to braid.
Baby, I'm a fiend, swam, baby, I'm a fiend, swam.
I forgot to mention I am adding hair as I'm braiding. So I had probably about 5 extra pieces of braiding hair that I added in for length.
But every time I lay the rest, I think about your chest. Your waist, them thighs, hypnotized with wet. Shit can't be all surprised. I swear you, baby, I'm a fiend, that girl was wet. Baby, I'm a fiend, I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica, she dressed the best. Baby, I'm a fiend, that girl was wet. Baby, I'm a fiend, that girl was wet.
Now moving on to that piece y'all see me take away earlier. I actually cut some off because like I said it was too thick. But yeah, I'm just gonna spray it and comb it out, make sure it's really neat and slick, and I'm gonna proceed to wrapping it around the ponytail. As far as closing it, some people close it with just the freezer spray, but I wanted to make sure that it never unraveled, so I did use a little bit of glue.
It's like I love these girls, but they all crazy. But we got nothing but love for you, baby. The groovy girls across the world. This one's for you. Hounded on the beat. Yeah, you know it's sounding so sweet.
Now I'm just gonna dip her braid so it'll be nice and loose so she can swing it. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna add the clips at the end. Y'all can skip that part if y'all want to. I thought it was cute. I really like the clips. But if you ain't feeling it, then you ain't gotta do this part.
That's it when I reach ya. Still that marijuana, I'm no preacher or no teacher. I'm a real the type to roll the weed about the beaches. Leather jacket skis, match me with your joker. Paperweight princess, so I know how to approach her. Simple conversation in my interest started freaking out. I like you for a night, wanna keep you past the weekend day.
And these are the finished results. Like I said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this tutorial a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Sit back, enjoy the smoke. You love the shit I quote. I love her cause this shorty different from them other hoes. She gets sexy for me, only do it for me. And that's what I prefer. We get ghost, just say the word. And shorty bad, yeah, I need her. Eat her like a slice of pizza. Spend more time out with parking around the meter. Baby girl, I swear I need you, hey. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Baby, I can feed her, I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica, she dressed the best. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Swimming, going deeper, I can't forget. Flexing, that's my chica, she dressed the best. Baby, I can feed her, that girl was wet. Yeah, baby, I'm a feed her, swam. Baby, I'm a feed her, swam. Baby, I'm a feed her, swam. Baby, I'm